What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on DNN stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Denison Mines Corporation engaged in the exploration and development of uranium. It has interest in McClean Lake uranium mill zone and Huskie deposits on a Waterbury Lake property. The company operates through the following segments: mining, closed mines, and corporate and other. The company was founded on May 9, 1997 and it is headquartered in Toronto, Canada. And here is their website, and it is very detailed and it has a bunch of informations, and you can find any necessary information to do your own due diligence. But let me show you their projects, and here is the overview. Denison's exploration and development portfolio consists of numerous projects covering approximately 280,000 hectares in Athabasca Basin region, with a focus on infrastructure-rich eastern portion of the Athabasca Basin. The Athabasca Basin is home to the world's largest and highest grade uranium mining and mining operations, including the McArthur River and the Cigar Lake uranium mines, as well as the Key Lake and McClean Lake uranium mills. And here is the map, and as I already mentioned, you can find all the information right here, but let me pay your attention to this slide. And here is the annual utility uranium requirements, and this information was from the uranium market outlook dated Q2 2020. And as you can see, from 2025 to 2035 we have huge surge in uncovered demand, and I think this uncovered demand will be covered by Denison Mines. And let me show you this information. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published on March 17th, and it says: "Ride the uranium bull with a stake in Denison Mines. Shake off uranium's bad reputation and find a place for DNN stock in your portfolio." And let me quote this information. Denison's 90% owned flagship uranium development project is known as Willow River. The Phoenix deposit on this property is, according to the company, estimated to potentially have lowest cost of any undeveloped uranium deposit. That's a big climb to make, but Denison has the numbers to back it up. Specifically, Phoenix features all-in costs of $8.9 per pound of U3O8. That compound is also known as uranium concentrate powder called yellow cake. Moreover, Phoenix has operating costs of $3.33 per pound of U3O8 for Denison Mines. No matter how you look at it, that's extremely cheap. At the time of this writing, the spot price of uranium is between $27 and $28 per pound. And as you can see, with this price, it's very cheap to produce this powder. Let me quote this takeaway. All in all, DNN stock presents a solid entry point into uranium industry investing. The shares are cheap, but soon enough they could break out to the upside. And here is another information. We are on news section on Denison Mines website, and this news was published on March 15, 2021. It says: Denison announced the inclusion in the S&P/TSX Composite Index. David Cates, president and CEO of Denison, commented: "Inclusion in the S&P/TSX Composite Index is a notable achievement and comes at a time when investor interest in nuclear energy and the global energy transition has increased significantly. Our company is well positioned to support the clean energy transition through the future development of our flagship Willow River uranium project in the Athabasca Basin region of northern Saskatchewan. Willow River's Phoenix deposit has the potential to compete with the lowest cost uranium mines and development projects, while being designed as one of the most environmentally sustainable mining operations in the world, owing largely to our planned application of the in-situ recovery mining method and the expected absence of conventional tailings generation. On behalf of the company's board of directors and employees, we are honored to be included in Canada's benchmark equity index and become the opportunity to increase our company exposure to the investment community as a further means to provide value to our shareholders." And I think it is a great news, because each and every time when a company have this announcement, the price of their stocks is skyrocketed. And it happened recently. It happened with Tesla, as you can see, and I think it might happen with this stock. Before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button, it helps me a lot. So we are on DNN chart and we are on daily time frame, as you can see, and here we can see the surge in price for more than 480% from late November till the mid-February, and since then we have a decline of about 50%. As you can see, this candle bounced back from this yellow line, and this yellow line is 55 exponential moving average. It's very strong support slash resistance, and as you can see here we've almost touched this line, and for now we touch it and bounce back immediately. And here we have some fluctuation in price, and I think it is some consolidation phase of wave 4 according to Elliott wave theory, because on a greater scale we have this price action, and as you can see this is the major support, and we almost hit the support with the same candle, and I think it might be a pivot point for the price action, and from this point this stock might go up. Let me show you the Fib retracement. I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave, as you can see, and here we touched exactly 0.786 level to the tick, and then again bounce back. And I think it's very good sign for the company, because we have a very respectful level of 0.786. It's not the most probable zone of trend reversal. Nevertheless, it often happens when asset will touch and then bounce back. Basically, I waited for the retracement from this wave, and I was not sure that we might have higher from this point, and that's why I waited for these 4 days in order to make the assumption that we might have go to the upside, and this is the in this point is much better to buy the stock than this one. And let me show you your entry points. You can add your position right here at around $1.10 mark, and even to this point, to 0.65 level, to the golden pocket, we might bounce back again from this level. And your next potential entry point might be right here, but I'm not sure that this stock will hit it again, because it is very meaningful price action around these levels. And on top of that, here we have a previous resistance that becomes a support, and it will be a critical point for this asset, because if the price hit this level, it might invalidate all the count, I mean this count of Elliott wave theory. And let me project some targets. For this purpose I pulled the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave, and the third point right on the retracement, at the lowest point of the retracement. And as you can see, with the assumption that this is the third wave, our fifth wave might hit 0.7786 region, and it is the same level than this peak, and it will be the major resistance for the price to hit this level. So our first target is right here, and we might have some extension in the fifth wave, but it's too early to decide that we have an extension, and potential targets might be at 1-to-1 extension right around $2 mark. And next, the most aggressive but the less probable of hitting by the price is 1.618 region at the $2.77 mark. So for now that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case you won't miss my next video. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!